Hi friends, let's have a look difference between smoke and sanity testing. So in a smoke testing is used to verify that the system is stable enough for further testing. And also we can say like the smoke testing is done to make sure that the build which we received from the development team is testable and stable. We just check stability of that build, and also we perform the smoke testing in a initial builds. Okay, and in a sanity testing we can say the sanity testing is done during the release phase, so to check the main functionalities of the application without going in depth. So sanity testing is performed by the testers, and it's we can say stable build on which we do the sanity, and also it is a part of regression testing. Thank you.